Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fun one. This video is all about how to make hot chocolate bombs. If you have not heard about this craze that has been going crazy lately, stick around. These are so cool to make and I'm going to show you the most basic way to do it. As always, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to leave us a comment below. We love hearing from you guys. And with that, let's get started. So I'm going to be taking my silicone mold. I found this one at my local cake and candy supply store. You can also find them on Amazon. I will link them below. I'm going to be taking some gold edible paint and a paintbrush, and I am just flicking this on the mold. This will give that kind of speckled effect in the gold, which makes it really pretty. Of course, you don't have to do that. That's completely optional. One of my favorite chocolates to use are these little chocolate melts. This is dark chocolate and they come in the little candy melts. The brand I am using is Ganache. I feel like they have the best taste and they provide the prettiest sheen. Another good one to look out for is Ghirardelli, and most of those you can find in your local grocery store. So I just pop this in my microwave in 30-second increments. You want to do 30-second increments and then stir it in between just so that you don't burn your chocolate. It usually takes about 3 times, and I just mix it up in this little glass Pyrex larger measuring cup. Once that is completely melted and smooth, I'm gonna spoon it out and put it into my silicone mold. Now I want to use the spoon and kind of push it out towards the edges. You want to make sure that you get it all the way to the top, and even going over a tad is okay. You just want to make sure that you have like every little space covered in chocolate. If you have a lot of excess, you can definitely dump it out on like parchment or a Silpat and save it for later. I didn't have a lot of excess, so I just flipped it over and let it dry as is. If you want to speed up your chocolate process, you can always put it in the fridge, and that definitely speeds it up as well. While those are setting up, I am going to be making a chocolate ganache for the center of my chocolate bombs. If you wanted to make yours very simple, you can always use a hot chocolate powder like this one will work really well, or you can use Swiss Miss, whatever you prefer. So for the chocolate ganache, I am putting a bag of the Aguiar semi-sweet baking chocolate chips in a bowl. Then I am heating up 1 cup of heavy whipping cream in a saucepan on the stove, and I just want it to barely simmer. You don't want to overcook it. And then you're gonna pour that over your chocolate chips and whisk it all up until it's smooth. When the ganache is done, you can set that aside, and I'm gonna check on these chocolate molds. These turned out so pretty. I love the gold fleck. I think it looks so upscale. It just kind of elevates that look a little bit. Definitely the best kept secret is the dark chocolate candy melts. Those provide the prettiest sheen and the prettiest shade of chocolate. I am in love with how these look. So pretty. And now for the fun part of filling them, I am taking a small frying pan that has been on the stove for a couple minutes. I am taking one of the molded chocolates and just rubbing that seam on the bottom of the frying pan so that it melts just a tiny bit. Using a rubber glove is completely optional. However, it does get rid of any fingerprints on your chocolate, so it will make it look definitely a lot cleaner. And for the filling, I'm gonna add 1 scoop of that rich chocolate ganache, a small scoop of some Dutch processed cocoa powder, some caramel syrup, and some sea salt. These are going to be chocolate ganache and sea salt caramel hot chocolate bombs. Don't forget your marshmallows. Those are always a must. And to close these guys up, we are basically doing the same thing, just taking that other half, getting it a little bit warm on that seam, and then closing it up and sealing in all of that hot chocolate goodness. There are so many different ways to dress up your hot chocolate bombs. You can always melt down some white chocolate or even milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and drizzle that with a piping bag or a Ziploc bag, whatever you have on hand. And the toppings you can do on these are really anything you can dream of or think of that you would want in your hot chocolate. Toffee bits, candy canes, cocoa powder, marshmallows, small candies, really anything that you think would be good in hot chocolate, which is pretty much anything, right? I'm gonna be doing a white chocolate drizzle, and I love when the white chocolate is really, really thin. I feel like it makes it look like more professional and just really pretty. And once those are completely dry and set up, I am going to package them in little cellophane bags with a ribbon. I feel like the ribbon and the bag just make them look so festive and put together. It is the perfect gift for nieces or nephews or just little things here and there to give around the holidays. And who doesn't love hot chocolate? These would be really fun to do at like a little Christmas party or something with family. Putting them together is one of the funnest parts. So I'm sure you guys could come up with a ton of ideas to make these guys even more fun. But you guys didn't think I would end the video without seeing them in action, would you? So you are just going to take your steamed milk. You can put it on the stove, in the microwave, however you like. And once you get your milk in your mug, you are going to drop your chocolate bomb in there and watch it explode with sugary hot chocolate goodness. The best thing ever. You can give it a quick stir to mix it all up and enjoy. I hope this video helped or inspired you to try a new DIY today. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below and let us know your favorite toppings for your hot chocolate bombs. And with that, we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.